In 5 years, you might not be the one doing the shopping. Your AI will be, and every marketing playbook ever written, it's about to be obsolete. Let me explain. What's up? What's up? Welcome back to CogZain. I'm Sainal Abid, and today we're talking about something that genuinely keeps marketing executives up at night, Agentic AI. Because here's the thing nobody is ready for. We're not heading toward better personalization. We're heading toward a world where AI becomes the literal gatekeeper between brands and human intent. Because here's the thing nobody is ready for. We're not heading toward better personalization. We're heading toward a world where AI becomes the literal gatekeeper between brands and human intent. And if you work in marketing, advertising, or e-commerce, the next 24 months are about to get really weird. Let's get into it. Quick reset. Regular AI, it answers questions. You ask, it responds, done. Agentic AI is different. It plans, it reasons, it acts. It goes off and does things on your behalf, navigates websites, compares prices, negotiates, checks out, all without you watching. Now overlay that on neuromarketing, a field built entirely around understanding the human brain, desires, pain points, buying triggers. What happens when the brain making the purchase isn't a brain at all? It's a digital proxy. A piece of software that doesn't feel FOMO, doesn't fall for scarcity, doesn't care about your jingle. That's the question. And it changes everything. Shift number 1. We're moving from searching to anticipating. The old funnel started the moment a customer typed into Google. Awareness, consideration, purchase. You know the diagram. Agentic AI skips the entire top of that funnel. Picture this. You accept a calendar invite for a move to a new city. You haven't searched for a single thing yet, but your AI has already inferred your timeline, scanned your aesthetic from your Pinterest, and started shortlisting. But your AI has already inferred your timeline, scanned your aesthetic from your Pinterest, and started shortlisting movers, furniture, internet plans, and the closest decent coffee shop to your new apartment. You never discovered any of those brands. The agent did. Translation for marketers: catching attention at the moment of comparison, old game. The new game is being present the second a need is identified by someone's AI, often before the human even knows they have it. Shift number 2, and this one is going to sting. SEO as we know it is on borrowed time. Why? Because your customer isn't always going to be a human with a browser. It's going to be an autonomous agent. Agents don't care about hero images. They don't get goosebumps from your tagline. They don't watch your unskippable YouTube pre-roll. They read data. So we're entering the era of what I'll call agent discoverability, AEO, if you will. Products are going to need rich semantic metadata, structured behavioral signals, machine-readable proof points, the kind of stuff that lets an AI instantly understand, this product is the perfect psychological and practical fit for my human. The kind of stuff that lets an AI instantly understand. This product is the perfect psychological and practical fit for my human. But, and this is critical, the human doesn't vanish. Real humans still unbox the box. Real humans still recommend brands to their friends. Real humans still feel loyalty. So the winners aren't going to choose between design for agents and design for humans. The winners are going to do both. Logical clarity for the agent, emotional magic for the person. Which brings us to the biggest psychological pivot in this entire conversation: trust. In traditional marketing, trust is a vibe, a feeling, a brand promise. In agentic commerce, trust is infrastructure. Think about what you're being asked to do. Hand your wallet, your preferences, your decisions to a piece of software. Humans are wired to resist that hard. Because think about what you're actually being asked to do. Hand your wallet, your preferences, your decisions to a piece of software. Humans are wired to resist that hard. Neuromarketing 101. People don't give up control easily. So trust can't be a checkbox in the terms of service. It has to be a living relationship, one that grows every time the agent gets it right and gets renegotiated every time it doesn't. The brands that win this era will use AI for what I call hyper-personal clienteling, anticipating life events, surfacing the right offer at the right moment, treating every customer like a VIP without a single human in the loop. Meanwhile, human marketers stop drowning in busy work and finally get to do the strategic, creative, deeply psychological work they were hired for in the first place. So here's the question I want to leave you with. Are you building products and experiences for people or for the agents that represent them? Because very, very soon, the agent is the customer. That's the shift. That's the whole game. If this rewired your brain a little bit, smash the like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you let an AI do 100% of your shopping? Yes? No? Only for groceries? I genuinely want to know. I'm Sinal Abid. Stay curious. I'll catch you in the next one.